Okay, a very good day. Okay, a very good day to my supervisor of this project, Dr. Mohamed Nizam bin Omar. And today I will present about the low fidelity prototype. And my name is Yi Qing with matrix number 270607. My project name is Smart Laundry System, and my lecturer for project 1 group is Dr. Muhammad Ali bin Saip. Okay, so for today, I will demo about the low fidelity prototype. So now let me restart this. So basically, this system is based on mobile application. So I will just do inside a mobile application. And when we launch into the application, it will show the splash screen as just now. Let me try again. Okay, so when we launch this application, it will show this splash screen, and then it will show this intro page. So what this intro page do is it will show what feature of this project and what performance of this system can bring to the users. Okay. So now for the low fidelity prototype that we will just cover the login and also the sign up. So now let me just try the sign up function. Okay, so for sign up function, the page is basically displayed like this, and for login, it's like this. So now let me try the sign up function first. Okay, first we can write our first name, last name, email. So for email, I will just use my email. Okay, so as here, I will just write I am a customer. So why I do the role selection for user is because I don't want to restrict the user, either they can be a customer or laundry owner. I want them to I provide a opportunity for them to become both roles, which is customer and also laundry owner. So when customer register using when a user register using customer, then it will store at the laundry users customers database. Okay, so for as you can see here, it's now ranked, and if user use the laundry owner, then it will store at here. Okay, so the field inside the database is the same. Okay, and I use the email as the primary key. So one user only can be one customer or and also one laundry owner. So they cannot register their account 2 times to become a customer or 2 times to become a laundry owner, but they can register their account 1 time as a customer and 1 time as a laundry owner. So they can perform both roles. So after this, I can click sign up. Okay, it will show the snack bar here, which means I have success register my account. So let us go to the database. I refresh. Okay, so we can see my database already have these details that I key in just now. Okay. Okay, now let me move to the login. Okay, so for the login here, okay, we can write down the email we just key in just now, and then the password. Okay, I choose customer and I click login. Okay, it shows that I have successful login. Okay, so now I try to demo again from the perspective of laundry owner. So I refresh again, same the splash screen and then the intro page. So now what I do different is I will sign up as a laundry owner using also the same data. Email also the same to prove that what I said just now, which means they can register both as a customer or the laundry owner. So for the password also same, email same. Okay. So now I choose laundry owner and I click sign up. Account register successful. Log in now. So we go log in. Okay. So now I choose the laundry owner. Okay, successful login. Okay. Now another test case. Another test is what if a user sign up as a customer? Can he or she log in with laundry owner account? So let me try again. So now I will try with dummy data. Okay. Okay. So for this one, I just simply key in a test. Okay. So this row I will sign up as a customer. Success. Now let me log in. And okay. So if I do not have signed up as a customer, if I choose laundry owner and click login, it will show wrong username or password. But if I choose back customer, then it will log in. Okay. So basically this is my demo of my low fidelity prototype. Now let me explain some of the code. So in overall, my project implement using the getX. So getX is very efficient as it will reload the state of the application in just one page and not the whole page like stateful or what. So this one I can just use stateless widget instead of stateful widget. So I can save the RAM, also make my application faster and efficient. Okay, so now I will explain about the login function, sign up function first, I think. So for sign up function, let me go to the sign up page, and then okay. So basically, to perform a sign up, I have a sign up controller and a sign up view. Also, I use binding. So what is the purpose of this binding is to bind the controller and the page together. Okay. So at here, I just click the sign up. Okay, at the sign up button here, at the sign up here, I will call the controller. So now I will just explain the backend part. So the backend part is basically like this. At the sign up here, and I go sign up. Okay. Okay. This controller will indicate this one, and then it will call the function sign up user. So for the sign up user here is like at here, but at here I have separate the remote services. So the remote services is at here. I have put a services here. So in this class, it will access or perform all the functions that need to retrieve data from the database or need to link with the database. So like what I said just now, this one it will call the remote services, which is these classes, and then call the function inside these classes, which is sign up user. So we can see sign up user and sign up user. So for the sign up user, I will send this one sign up user here. I will send my first name controller.text.toString, last name, email, password, and selected row. So what this means is I will send 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 these 5 things to the remote services, and the remote services will save all inside the body here. So I will get this one, and then I pass into the register user.php, which I have brought at here. So let me open it. View. Okay. So this is my PHP script for the backend part. So at here I have connect my database, and then from here this one is the first name, last name, email, password, and OTP. I will get here all of these things, included the row at here, and then I pass into this PHP, and I use the if is set function to determine whether the user is a customer or laundry owner. So if user is customer, I will insert into the user's customers table like I show here. This one, okay. So if users is not customer, which means else, it will access the user's laundry owner. Okay. So which means this one. Okay. And then it will insert into the database. And then one more thing is to enhance the secureness of data. I have used the SHA-1, which is whenever I key in the text, it will make the text random like this format. Okay, so when an authenticated user can log in into my database, they will not know what is the password is. Okay, so basically this is my register function. So now for the login, I will talk about the login. So for the login here, I will close all the sign up part first, and I open the login. Okay, so basically my practice of coding is like this. I will separate all the view, the controller, and the view and controller separately, so it will looks very nice and clear. Okay, then okay. Okay, and then remote services. Okay, so for the login here, I have a controller at here, which is same like the previous login user. So the login user will also navigate to here, so we can see the login user here and is connect with the database. So at here, I will get all the data from the login page, which is email, password, and also the row. So this data will be passed into the controller here, and the controller will pass to the remote services. So as we can see here is email, password, and selected row. So after I pass to the remote services, it will receive it and then keep in the body. So the body will call the login PHP, login user.php here, and my PHP script here will get both this data, which is email and password, and also the row. Okay, so same like previous, if it set row, if the row is customer, then select from user customers. Else select from users laundry owner, where email equal to email, which is key in from here, and also password. So I use the AND operator so that both the user need to make sure both the email and password are matched or correct. So after that, if the if this one is correct, then it will show success and then pass this data is back, or else it will show failed. So okay, let me try to log in again. Okay, so I choose customer and I click login. Okay, you see here it shows success and also some of my data. So what is this? It's from here. Success, first name, last name, email, and date register. Okay, so the date register is the current times here. This one, it will take the current times. Okay, so basically this is my low fidelity prototype for my login and also the sign up function. For the future work, I will enhance my login and also the sign up function, and I try to explain more. Okay. Okay. At the future, I will go to my requirement list, which is user need to activate using the email. Okay, and also for the sign up here, I will make the more secureness for the password and confirm password to make sure they are matched. Okay. Okay. So basically this is my demo for my low fidelity prototype, and thank you for your time, and thank you very much.